we give you guys such a good clue yesterday in today's vlog, I decided that we're gonna do the reveal. So you guys will find out who got it right. So, Sarah, where are we going on vacation? 1, 2, 3. We are going to...
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Fears, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. It's cold. It's freezing. But we gotta go, get things done on the road. Okay, what's the mission for today, you ask? I woke up this morning and I got my ride in. Felt good, got I think about 40 minutes riding, so I'll take that. I cut my ride short. Normally on a weekend I try to get an hour ride in, but I cut it short because I have to go. I am going to sit in on a 2-hour session at the driving school on the theory section. Just to get myself familiar with more questions and stuff like that. So I'm gonna do that for 2 hours, and while I go there, the kids and Papa is heading to the library and to the park, and then we'll meet up back by midday. So I have to reach there for 10 o'clock. As you guys can see, it's 9:30 right now, so I gotta go. Say good morning. Oh. You trying to say what Tyler say? There for the Gaza. Say me there. Say me. There. Ty. Come. Say what on my yacht. Me there. Me there. Yes. Yes, me there. Where are you going?
I go to the park.
You're going to the park. That's the only one you remember. You don't hear. Tell her that you're going to the book place first. You hear Sarah around here trying to say like you.
What you'd be there for the Gaza?
Ready to go have some fun with Papa while Mama gone to Attica?
Yes.
Alright, you'll be nice and listen to Papa, okay?
Yes.
Alright. Gonna have a good day. Alright, see you guys later.
What's up?
Nothing's up, everything's down.
Oh. Tu as tes lunettes?
Oui.
Tu as ton cerveau?
Non.
Ok.
Oui, c'est ton papa.
You don't have no cerveau?
Il est dans mon lit.
So if you didn't have that cerveau, you wouldn't be talking right now. And you wouldn't
He asked
be
me if I have
laughing.
my head. He's too funny. I have my brain.
You see, you do have
Anyway, you guys, we are out. We are out.
Hey guys, I'm in the park with the kids. Baby's away. Look at this big girl. She wants to show the world what she can do. Hey big girl. Wow, good job Sarah. Good job. Big tree. Big trees climbing to the sky. Wow. Look at this big girl. Good job, Tyler. Look at this big girl and she'll go down fast. Whoa! Good job, Sarah. Sarah, come. You have something to say to Mama? Say, Mama, I'm a big girl now. Sarah? Sarah, look at me. Say, Mama, I'm a big girl now. No? Yes, Sarah. You want this? Alright. Ooh. 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 Sarah, look at me. Sarah, regarde-moi. Say, Mama, I'm a big girl now. She run. She run. She like this one. She like to climb. Can you imagine her at school? All of the things that she does. School is a big thing. I mean, they go into school, they come back, can do a lot of things, speak better, act better, grow. Wow. All of this thing is important. Woo! Tu veux aller alors?
You guys, I got back from off the road. Well, everybody got back. And it's lunchtime and everybody wanted something different. My kids wanted pasta. They are the only ones on the same page. Babe wanted omelets. And I wanted salad. So, I am finishing up making mac and cheese for my babies. I made baby omelets. And everybody shall be happy for lunch. All right, there we go. Babe, Sarah, Tyler, et moi. Lunch of champions. What did you say?
Did you know I had Marshall in Dudu and have a judo trick?
No, show me. I wasn't expecting to see that. I was not expecting to see that. You put on your jacket and Marshall?
Yes.
You are too funny. What are you doing, girl? Who is that? Who is that? Who you have in your hand? Who is this? Use up your words. Who is this? Is paper? Okay. Go, go, go. You two go. You two go. Go, 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 go. Run along. Oh my God. Noisy bugs. What you having?
Pasta and sausage.
Pasta and sausage, because that's what you requested, right? I asked Tyler what he want for dinner and he said the same thing he had for lunch. You see, the kids are not complicated when you ask them what they want for dinner. They give you a direct answer. Unlike the wife, when you ask her what she wants to eat, I don't know, anything, and then when you give her anything, she say, I don't want that. Me. That's how I am. When you ask me what I want to eat and I say I don't know. But when you give me anything, then I say I don't want that. Hey, your pants. Look at your pants knees.
Yes, because I don't know why you want that. Selling, they put a line here to make a hole right there.
So hold on, you're blaming the people that sell it?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, no, you should blame yourself because you wear it. Every one of them like that is built that way. And everybody have hole in it? Nope. Nope.
I
Nope.
think at the beginning they wanted to put holes in it to make style. And after they changed their mind, so they reattached it, and because of that it reopened.
Okay. Alright. Maybe that's the case. Maybe.
I don't see
So
no
they
other
just
case
call
if
it a
there's
design, huh? You're funny. Alright, eat up so we can show and start movie night.
What we're going to watch, Ralph?
Ralph, Wreck-It Ralph with popcorn and cheesecake. Look at the queen at the table. The princess. Is the first she's eating in her dress. We don't normally let you eat like that.
Mama?
Yes, Tyler.
Guess which popcorn I had eat at cinema?
Sugar.
friend.
Sugar, caramel, sugar.
Guess which
Because
one?
French people.
Caramel,
Sugar, because French
or
people love
salad?
sugar. Popcorn.
Yes.
Of course.
But I don't like sugar.
Me
But
too.
I can still eat it because it looked like it had a bit of
But
caramel.
you know, whenever I eat it, I like it, but I don't want to buy it for home. That's just me. But whenever I eat it, I like it.
Why did you buy it?
Because I'm gonna eat it too much. It's so sweet.
Oh yes, since it's more sweet than salé popcorn seeds. Tu veux de l'eau? Oui.
We're getting ready for movie night. So the kids are showered, just like Sarah's here. Tyler is showered, everybody's showered. Now I'm getting popcorn ready.
5,
And
4,
we have
3,
cheesecake.
2,
That's all
1.
I keep ready long time.
Le popcorn il est prêt.
Sarah, what I tell you about screaming? Sarah, Tyler is hot. Don't do that.
I'm blowing.
Alright, popcorn's ready.
Tiens, tu le fermes et tu le mets dans ta chambre.
Put in the kids' bowl.
Ah oui, c'est pour de bonnes idées.
And trust me, by the movie done, this popcorn will be all gone.
By the movie done, by the
Vanish.
movie just stopped. Then I don't have this popcorn.
Hey, Sarah, you want popcorn? That's what she's looking forward to. You're looking forward to the popcorn? Don't touch, okay? And the reserve is here. Wait, leave it. And we have cheesecake. And we have plate for their cheesecake. You want cake too?
Yeah.
Which one you want first? You want popcorn and the one the cake and then the popcorn?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want popcorn.
And we have water. Where your water?
And next water.
All right. Go hold your spot. Movie is all ready. I'm not doing it without it. I'm waiting on you. So I'm coming out to end today's vlog. We had an amazing movie night. It's the following day, but I need to end the vlog. Since we give you guys such a good clue yesterday in today's vlog, I decided that we're gonna do the reveal. So you guys will find out who got it right.
Yeah. I think
So Sarah, where are we going on vacation? 1, 2, 3. We are going to Mexico. I am looking forward to salsa, to dancing,
Spanish,
and to
but
tacos. What you're looking forward to in Mexico?
the kids club.
The kids club, and to speak in what?
Spanish.
Spanish. What you're looking forward to
New
on vacation?
adventure, new landscape, new...
Y'all know what I'm looking forward to, right? What I'm looking forward to, Tyler. Tyler, what Mama looking forward to on vacation? Food. Sarah, come here. What you looking forward to on vacation?
I am food.
Food. Me and Sarah going for the same reason. So there you guys have it. Our vacation destination.
Mexico.
Come. There you guys have the vacation reveal. We're going to Mexico. So everybody who guess Mexico, you got it right. So time is winding down. Time is winding down. Vacation is coming up and we're so looking forward to it. I won't give you guys any more detail until vacation is right here on us. Okay, so preparations is going on and looking forward and building up the momentum to just get some heat and get some good food. You see what I mean? Anyway, subscribe to the Fam Bam, comment down below, catch up and keep up, because of course you guys know when we go on vacation we do vacation, right? Love you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow.